What and what should your online course contain? How should it be structured? What are the elements that make up a transformational, result-delivering online course? I know most people pay attention to the course content, okay, the videos, the actual course content. They forget the experience and the several other things that make an online course to deliver on its promise, such that your clients get actual results from taking your course and even refer you to their friends. In today's video, I'm going to break down the 5 core parts that your course should contain. That's the structure that a standard online course needs to have. If this is a pain point for you right now, watch to the very end and you will be so glad that you did. Come with me, let me show you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your home if you are a thought leader who is particular about building a profitable personal brand and also creating digital products and, very importantly, setting up your online sales funnel. This is your home. Welcome. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for coaches. Today's video is about what a standard online course needs to contain. Now, the first thing that your online course needs to have is an outline. So beyond the videos and so on, there should be an outline, more like a guide that is showing the overview of the course content in key points, okay? So you may want to have a document right at the beginning of your course that shows your students what and what to expect. It could even be a video, an intro video that walks them through the course content, the outlines, the lessons, the tasks ahead, and other elements in the online course. So yes, you want to have an outline video or an outline document that breaks down what the lesson, what the modules will be like, what the tasks will be like, and so on. And this should follow a sequential, chronological sequence, such that when they are in the course, they can see that, oh, Temi mentioned this earlier on, and things like that. Number 2, I recommend that your course should have a script. So when creating your course, please plan your scripts, okay? Plan to have your script, because your script could it could become a resource that you can share with your students. Just in case they are unable to watch the videos, something is not clear to them, they should have some bits of scripts that they can use as a guideline. It just creates a note, right, where it contains summary of what you've taught in the course. That way, when they forget something, they don't have to, go to the course all the time, right? But rather, with that note, okay, they can just, go through the notes you've given them and then do a name search, do a word search, and boom, it lands them straight to the part of the course that they're looking for. Do you see? So that's exactly what you want. So have a script stroke a summary note. Okay, let's just call this a summary note. So a script that can become a what? A summary note. All right. The next thing you want to have is worksheets. Yes, downloadables to help improve your students' learning. So please create worksheets. Worksheets, basically, they have gaps, lines that people can fill in. Maybe as they are watching you, as they are learning from you, they can take notes. And if you ask a question, they can put down answers on those blank lines, right? Please have worksheets or templates or scripts that will improve the learning of your students. Also, number 4 thing is you want to ensure that the delivery channel for your online course is students friendly. So please use the right channel for your students to learn. So sometimes a course can be best delivered maybe via ebooks, or email sequence, or via videos, or you could self-host on your own WooCommerce website, or you could have it on a third-party website like Teachable, Kajabi, and things like that. But whatever case it is, please ensure that the delivery channel you choose, it delivers a user-friendly experience to your students, okay? The next thing here is the support. As much as you can, offer a level of support to your students. It may not be one-on-one coaching with you. It may not even be a group coaching with you, but it could just be a support group, either on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Telegram, where they can interact with other students. It helps them learn more. It helps them, interact with other students, ask questions, and this gives you an amazing database and even a reason to raise your price. Yes, because the network that they can gain from that is priceless. And with that, you can market and say, when you buy this course, you become a part of a network, and you can tap into it and learn, and you can make it say 1 year access, or lifetime access if you choose. I just do 1 year access because I can't kill myself. You know what I mean? I don't have the energy for all of that. So, but again, you can hire a community manager that can be in charge of, taking questions and all of that. So please offer support. And then finally, I recommend that you have an execution calendar. Please have an execution calendar that you can work with. An execution calendar basically walks your clients through the modules. So how many weeks course is your course? So week 1, this is the module to take. Week 2, this is the module to take. They can decide to take all the modules. I mean, that's a cup of tea. But you can decide and say, no, let's spread this. So week 1, take this module. Week 2, this. And then when you take this module, this is the activity you're supposed to engage in. This is the part of the worksheet you should use. And these are your deliverables. Okay, what you need to have done at the end of this week. So when they come in, nobody is confused as to where to start from. They can see on the calendar what they need to have done. They need to consume, what they need to do, what they need to deliver on, and so on and so forth, right? So I recommend an execution calendar for your students, okay? With this point, I believe that you now know what a standard online course structure should be like. Now, I didn't even go into the videos because that's given, right? But this stuff here can help you. Please take note not to overwhelm your students. You cannot possibly teach all you know in a course. So don't even try it, or else you will create your course and you will end up overwhelming your students, okay? Please don't do that. There is a link below this video where I teach extensively on how to create and sell digital products. You should absolutely check it out. There's also a link for you to book a call with me for us to talk about your personal brand, you creating digital products by, wanting to monetize your knowledge or to design your sales funnel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.